morning. This video is a relatively quick video in regards to these Tera Pump fuel transfer pump, battery powered TRHA03 for gas, diesel, and water. I've actually had these quite a while, and I have actually had a chance to use them. This one I used to transfer some gasoline that I had been keeping in storage, and after I'd had it for quite a while, I used it to transfer it into my vehicle. The one thing I noted was that there is no filter in this, and so I kind of made this filter out of brass and a metal ring. It's crude, but it'll do the work. The reason I made it was when I was transferring the fuel, one of my tanks, unbeknownst to me, had rust in the bottom. I think it had maybe gotten a little bit of water in it or something. Either way, I wasn't too concerned about it being in the tank, because when I researched it, my car has a very, very large fuel filter in the tank, so it'll be fine. But I didn't want it to happen in the future, so I made this. The diameter of this is it's just about 1 1/4 inch, or just under 1 1/4 inch. With this on it, it needs a bigger hole. They take 2 AA batteries. It has a clip to help hold it onto the edge of something, and it has an auto shut-off, which I have tested and it works. So we're going to test this one, because I don't want to use the gasoline one in water, and since this is reserved for drinking water and I've marked it, we're just going to put this in a jug, and we're just going to turn it on, and you'll see that the water's flowing just fine. You can actually see through the pipe, and so you can notice if there's anything stuck in it, or if it's sucked up any rust. That's how I knew that I had rust in the gas can. If you dip it in the water, it's supposed to turn off. It does, and it beeps. You just turn it off and reset it. It doesn't really have anything to prevent backflow, but otherwise it works very well. Its rate of flow is 10 quarts per minute. So it's not fast, but in an emergency, it will get you through. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.